Alright folks, we're out here on the Shenandoah River in West Virginia. As you can tell, it's a beautiful lake we're putting in under the bridge here, and we're fixing to float down probably 5 or 6 miles, catch some of these West Virginia smallmouth fishing. I got a feeling it's gonna be a good day, so y'all stay tuned and see what happens.
On the rock, that's why. Yeah, man.
Oh, there, you got one. What'd he bite? Grub? Yeah. You're able to see better than me. You standing up, I can't. There you got one. Brad wearing him out over there. He's front ending me. Hold him up, man. Was he behind the rock? Huh? The trout? Rainbow trout? Oh, there he is. I got one, man. Finally. I got him. Smalley. He ain't big, but he was fun. He wrapped it. Quit. Oh, man. Look at how pretty that sucker is. There ain't no funner fish to catch. See you later, buddy. Is there any sandbars or anything we can stop and stretch our legs? Like, I hear you. I got one. Oh, there you go. Oh, man, that sucker fighting. There we go. Oh, man, stop flopping. Golly, that one's got some good color to him. Look at that sucker. They ain't big, but they're fun. See you later, buddy. Okay. Got him. Got him. There's a decent one. Hey.
Under this tree, there's like two.
See you later, buddy. Brad got one. Make him jump.
Make him jump, trying to get him in the damn boat. See him run up. There.
There you go. May have to make another pass on this spot.
There's one more in there somewhere.
Drop him back. Oh, yeah, you picked it up. You see that swirl? Oh. I was wondering if that swirl was on my worm there. Just letting it float down, throw this thing out and just let the current take it down the river, and the fish will be right behind them current breaks. See you later, buddy. There he is. Got him. I think this is a better one. There we go. There we go. That's a decent one. Come right out from under that limb there. I was just kind of letting the Cinco just get washed down the river. Come out from under one of them logs. See you later, buddy. Ooh. What the heck is that? It's like a rabid raccoon or something. What's he doing? He's eating a root or something. Sucker don't look, he don't look very healthy. Something wrong with him. Alright, I gotta traverse a rapid here. Hopefully I won't turn over. Oh, yeehaw! There's one. Yeah, got him. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, this might have some... There we go. That one got some shoulder. Dang, he's digging. That's the biggest one I caught today. Be nice if he could stop. There's a good one. There we go. It's a pretty fish. See you later, buddy. Oh! He's just sitting there, just staring straight at me. Hey, Nanny. You there? Hey, Nanny. Man, these deers are tame around here. Psst. Oh, I got one trolling. Dang. Dadgone. There's one. Oh, dang, he just finned me. Stop flopping. Stop flopping. There we go. That's a nice little fish. Just dragging the Cinco behind the canoe. See you later, buddy. Look up in them trees right there. There's two bald eagles. There he goes. Look there. Here's the other one. You're the best. Nothing's ever gonna keep you down. You're the best. Nothing's ever gonna keep you down.